Fly High Yoga Shala, which is one of the 13 shalas at the mansion property. And I love this one. It has so much fresh air, a nice breeze, all open, and a really beautiful wood floor to practice our yoga every day here. In the Heaven and Earth Spa, you can get all the treatments your heart desires, massages, facials, hot and cold plunge. We have an infrared sauna, a traditional sauna, and a steam room here. You can even get your nails done. It's got everything for you. In the other spa, and this has a steam room, and you can do a cold plunge or a flower bath here in the beautiful garden. So relaxing and blissful. Here we are at one of the 7 swimming pools at the mansion, and my goddess is here delivering the beautiful organic green juice. Thank you so much. Terima kasih. We can do some really fun things here in the yoga shala with yoga swings. And so at our teacher training, we'll be taking you through some different practices that you can do at home and that you can teach as well. Such a great workout, and it's so much fun. Thank you so much for joining us on our tour of Mansion Resort here in Bali, Indonesia. We welcome you to our little paradise anytime, and especially for my yoga teacher training. You can come for 10 days or 30 days and become a certified yoga teacher or an advanced level yoga teacher accredited by the Yoga International Yoga Alliance. You'll see in the description the links in order to learn more and apply to join us at the teacher training, or just learn about how you can come stay here at our beautiful paradise, home away from home. Many blessings to you on your path. Namaste.